Why stock market is falling? Well, you guys may have the same questions as many guys out there who are trading and learning the markets. Hi, this is Kiran. Welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Talks. In this video, I'll be sharing some of the facts and things which may help you to realize the current market conditions and how may trade in upcoming days. So we'll start with the video. We'll go to the screen first so that I'll explain you the charts.
So guys, you can see here, this is Nifty's chart, and I have drawn one rectangular pattern around the graph instead of drawing straight lines so that you guys can understand better what I am trying to say. Well, here we can see Nifty has started the rally at the level of 15,700 in the start of August, and rally was went till the level of 18,600 till 20th October 2021. Except we have experienced a little profit booking at the level of 17,900, and it went till the level of 17,500. Well, what this tells us, Nifty was going up and up and up, but we must keep in mind that market will never goes up in the straight direction after particular levels. Some selling will always come there, some collection will always be there, and after selling market will fall around some levels or some supports, and at that level we can see some consolidation for some days, few weeks or few months. After consolidation, we may see, according to the favorable conditions, market will decide the direction whether it will go up or go down. Well, here some people think very differently. I'll explain you with the example. Now, market has fallen 400 points from the level of 18,600. Suppose if it fall more, like 600 points more from here, it will go to the level of 17,600. So it will almost 1,000 point fall from the higher level. Now, after falling this much, some people think like market is oversold now and it may not go down. But please come out of this misconception. One thing I would like to tell you guys, an oversold stock could be sold more or overbought stock could be bought more. But in such situations, we may see the immediate reaction on such companies or stocks. If you want the example, you can take current example of IRCTC. Well, the stock was overbought around the level of 4200, but still some retail investor bought the stock, and stock went till the level of 6300. But we have seen the destruction after that. Stock was almost fell around 35% in just 2 days, and the people who have invested at higher level may be regretting now or maybe in the shock now, and keep praying that stock should go to the previous levels, previous highs. But I don't think we'll go immediately at previous level. It could consolidate around the level of 4200 to 4400, or it may fall more because it was overvalued. So coming to the next.
So, the broader markets were under strong selling pressure. The stocks, which had a run up very sharply in past few days, were saw a deep correction. We have seen Nifty has given a rally over 1000 points in just the last 10 trading sessions, and at higher level now, market is showing the signs of huge volatility in upcoming days. There is excessive speculation in certain stocks, particularly in the broader market, which have taken some stocks to the unjustifiable level of valuation. The PE in certain cases is 100, 150 and 200 above as well, which is really unjustifiable for the valuation of these companies. Well, some newbies do not know the PE. So PE stands for price to earning ratio. Basically, it is the price of share in relation to the earnings per share. The high level of speculative growth in many stocks is evident from the abnormal trading volume and huge volatility in these stocks. Well, so the question is where market will head now. So the direction of market will depend on retail investors now, whether they will rush again to absorb the selling by institutions. At the current scenario, the high quality large cap stocks, which we call as a blue chip stocks, such as Reliance Industries Limited, HDFC Twins, Infosys Limited, Kotak Bank and other, were seen resilient during this fall, and so the indication of safe zone for the investors. Going ahead, earnings delivery versus earning expectations for the quarter 2 results of financial year 2022 will further decide the direction of market. So question arises here, what to do next? So as of now, you can keep close watch on your stocks, check your stocks, their financials again, their PEs and some of the fundamentals. If you think your stocks are good, you can keep those on hold, and if you have a little doubt on your stocks, what you can do is you can sell partial quantity as of now. So even if stocks moves in the reverse direction now, and if it goes up, you can book good profits ahead in the future and exit from the stocks. And if it fall from this level, so you can get opportunity to buy the stocks in the dips, and it is always good to buy on the dips, and those who buying in the dips and having patience, market will always rewards them. Also, we have certain stocks in our portfolio which are trading at the discount of 25 to 40% from last few days, and these stocks have given the fall much before the current fall of the market and consolidating at some levels. So stocks have very good fundamental and financials, and they have very good potential to give good returns in upcoming months or weeks. So if you want to know about such stocks, please let me know in the comment section. I will make video on it, and I will release the video soon. Till the time, take care and thank you.